Hello, and welcome to the Broadpeak.io series. In this episode, we invite you to test the API token in API reference. As a prerequisite to start working with the REST API, you should have generated an API key. This key is still valid, and you are ready to use it. For example, you have copied it in your clipboard. Once logged in on the platform to test your API key, click on Knowledge Center. Then select the API Reference tab. Paste your token in the dedicated bearer field. Then select the API keys on the left panel. Then the Get All API Keys item. Click on the dark blue Try It button. You should receive a 200 OK with the name of your key, your tenant ID, the creation and expiration dates, and the suffix of your key. Be aware that every similar HTTP request can be sent outside of this web page, for example from a command prompt, and using various languages. In case your key is invalid, you will get a 403 error with a message indicating that the token is incorrect or expired. In our example, we have removed the first characters of the key. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we'll see how to use Broadpeak.io with a CDN.